OK, let's get to work.
DJ, can you help us with this?
Ricky, we've got a wobble! A what? A wobble! In the wheel! We worry when wheels wobble!
How bad is it?
Well, it's not wobbling anymore. Prop it up!
What are you guys doing with all this stuff?
We're just, bringing it to the school.
For Mrs. Bikely.
For no reason. There's nothing to be suspicious about.
Well, you're never going to get it there. I'd better help.
Whoa. Thanks, DJ.
There you go. Does Mrs. Bikely need anything else?
Mrs. Bikely? This stuff is a... Oh, yeah, I mean, no. This is everything Mrs. Bikely needs for the secret thing we are doing.
Are you guys doing something? Without me?
Of course not. Why would you think that?
I gotta get back to work.
Uh-oh. Did we just make him feel worse?
Maybe.
Oh dear, Loop's panicking.
I know what to do. If a friend runs into trouble, that's when it's time to zoom in and help. Ricky to the rescue! Zoom out! Please stop, please! Stop! Orderly line! Orderly! No, that's not orderly. Line! No, that's a squiggle. Ah. That's it! Everybody back to the club. Move along, hurry! I mean, take it slow and safe. Slow and safe! Ricky! Everything seems so easy until it gets hard. No problem, you can do this. I can? How? I was kind of thinking I couldn't. Toot, remember that whistle thing you did this morning?
Oh, yeah, that was great. You should have seen the look on your face.
Can you do it again?
Only any time I want.
Huh? Oh!
Yeah, thanks, Toot. Go, Loop. You take the lead. I'll follow behind and we'll get everyone across. Let's go, kids!
Well, look at that. Ricky and Loop, I am impressed.
Yeah, we're awesome. We're fantastic. Especially Loop.
You certainly are. In fact, I think our school could use 2 crosswalk helpers.
Oh!
What do you say, Ricky? Loop?
Cool! Really? Let's rev and roll! All for one and bikes for all!
Oh, it's gone. I guess I'm not getting my leadership badge. Let's go back.
Oh, Blip, you really wanted that badge.
And poor me, I really wanted that egg.
But yeah, poor Blip.
I don't know why I thought I could be a leader. It's just not me.
You can't give up now, Blip. You never give up.
I don't.
No. Remember when Mrs. Bikely went camping and you delivered a double cheese pizza all the way up to her campsite?
It got soaking wet.
Yeah.
All the pepperonis fell into the creek. I got them back, but they had mud on them.
But still, you didn't quit, right? You delivered it.
Yeah, I did. Wait a minute.
There it is! The scoot box are trying to grab it.
But they can't get a grip.
Clump campers, go! Follow your leader, me!
Scoot box, return!
We have to catch up to it. I know, follow me!
Whoa! Where are you going?
Trust me, I'm being a leader!
How did we get here so fast?
This way is much shorter.
Yeah, I go this way all the time when I deliver pizzas. Good work, Blip!
There it is!
No, it's not.
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Yay, Ricky! There it is, the comic. I can look right now.
That's not recycling. Those are...
We are not peeking. Steele wants us to be surprised, so that's what we're going to be.
Green peppers and olives? No, not on Steel Awesome's watch, you thin-crusted villain!
Steele, here they are.
Ah, good. Did you peek this time?
No, sir. I want to hear it straight from you.
Good.
And now, for a surprise that nobody could have expected. And that surprise is...
Yes! I'm glad I didn't peek. It's so much better hearing it with you guys.
You, Mufflecrunk, are my long-lost twin brother.
I knew it! Is it true, Steele? Is Muffler-Crunk really your brother?
It's true. But what other surprises await as we keep reading?
A new hat?
Hey, did you peek?
I was right!
Anyway, let's read on.
No, it can't be true. But it is true. Join me, brother.
I'm speeding up again!
Where are we? I still can't see.
Just as relaxing as I remember.
Oh, look! It's Maxwell! I know! New plan! Scootio, Skatebox, go! This is our last chance! Scootbox, flip him upside down!
What?
Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Grappling hook, go! Hooray!
We stopped! I mean, I totally couldn't see what happened, but you did it!
Oh, hello, Blip. Come to watch the sun?
Maxwell, We might have some things that need fixing.
How's that? Better?
Oh, much better. Thanks, Maxwell.
Now then, what about this traffic light? Oh, yeah.
I'm fine!
Oh no, Toot! Dear. Wow! Now I really am helpless. Help me, Ricky!
Toot! Time to zoom for real!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Hang on!
Hurry up, Ricky!
I've got you, Toot. Here we go. Hold on!
You're the best, Ricky.
Awesome! Incredible! Steel Awesome did it!
Go on, Ricky!
Yeah!
Ricky, your performance was as brave as Steel Awesome's best rescue scenes. And really funny, too.
Way to go, Ricky! That was... How does that keep happening?
Thanks, everyone.
We did it!
Next time you're in trouble, just call for Squeak Awesome. That was so fun. Best steel vest ever. Ricky, can you teach me to wobble like that? How is this? Sorry, Toot. Is the wobbling making it hard to ride?
No! It's fun! Do you really have to get it fixed?
Going so fast? And can I do it too? He's in trouble. Let's follow him. I've got this. Woohoo! Booster Blaster! There's no way I'd ever miss the Mega Whirly Leap with this!
How did you do that?
That's the fastest you've ever gone.
Do you have a new booster or something? I'm the Booster Master! Let me see! It's nothing! Just warming up for tonight! Gotta go!
He'll be here soon. Oh, he'll be here soon. Oh, what if he doesn't come? Oh, he said he would. Oh, why isn't he here yet? Oh, Steve.
Don't worry! We'll get you down! But how? That's how! We've just got to pop those balloons, one at a time. Stop, balloons! I was nice after you, so why are you being so mean to me?
Hang on, Luke!
All right, guys, let's zoom out and keep on popping. Sorry. We'll get you, Luke. Hang on.
Clear the way! Officer coming through. Why is everyone looking up? So many balloons!
Did you see the purple one? There's a purple one.
How did this happen?
We may have given him more than one balloon.
That's not just more than one. That's more than one.
That's what I say. Don't worry. Deputy Ricky to the rescue.
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
We have to save her.
Only one way off this volcano.
She's right at the edge. Ricky to the rescue.
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Hold on, Mrs. Bikely. Boom!
I got you. I think.
Oh, hang glide! Woohoo!
DJ digging in. Zoom can go.
Another victory for Steel Awesome! Until next time.
I think her dream mission is over. Not quite. She still needs to get home.
Hey, kids, you didn't fall asleep, did you?
No, we're good. Wide awake.
Good. There's no sleeping on a stakeout. Now then, rule 921.
Dad, I was just trying to be more like Still Awesome for my role model homework. And then this happened.
Okay, we'll take care of it. Officer Bunker, are you okay?
Roger that. Other than the code 99, I am code 0. A-OK.
I'm not sure, but I think he's panicking. I'll hypnotise him. Bow-woo! Bow-woo!
That's okay, Loop. I need you to go ahead and clear the road.
Leave it to Luke.
Now, let's see if we can get you stopped, officer. Easy, easy. It won't work at this speed.
What about my grappling hook?
Can you aim it when you're going fast?
I can try.
Maybe it's time for you to be more like Steel Awesome after all.
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Grappling hook, go!
Oh, watch the paint job.
Good shot, Ricky.
too heavy. I can't stop him.
I've got an idea.
Whoa!
Do you think I could borrow that weight, DJ?
Yes! Oh, please, yes, take it! Whoa! Ricky's dad is so strong! Sorry!
Huh? 43, 44. Oh, I could have been a circus clown.
But no, had to be a police officer. What's that?
Impossible.
This is Officer Bunker reporting a code. Code?
There is no code for this. It's still awesome.
When the law needs help, just watch the steel.
In trouble.
Oh no! I need to go back! Oh, here he comes! Now, how does steel land? The comics never show how he lands. That's cheating!
Oh, I spilled the push pins. That's the one thing I was supposed to not do.
Watch out!
Maxwell, we have a 4-3-2. It's a giant disaster.
We just finally started playing.
We told Maxwell we'd help him for the day, so that's what we should do, right? Yeah!
Let's do this.
We can help. Officer Bunker, this is Ricky Zoom. Maxwell is, busy, but we can help.
Ricky, there's been a big pushpin spill. A whole lot of bikes have flat tires. We need to tow them to the garage and fix their tires.
We're on it, Officer Bunker. Okay, buddies, it's going to be a lot of work. But Maxwell and the whole town needs us. Rev and roll!
Let's do this.
Oh, found the tire patches.
Boom! Perfect!
I'll start towing the bikes.
Come on, Scootbox, this way. Come on. To the left, to the left. Up, just a little bit. Oh, no, down, down. Good job, Scootbox.
friends. We need to get across.
We can't right now. We have got this very big pipe, you see.
But I have to get across. I just have to. I made a mistake and I have to fix it.
We can't get it out of the way. But what if the pipe is the way?
Thanks, Mumblers. Here we go. Dad's light! Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Got it!
Fantastic!
Loop, it's just us. That's it! Come on, guys, we're catching up. Vroom! Steel Awesome would stay cool and calm, and so can we. Let's stick together this time and sneak up on him. Everybody, be as sneaky as you can.
I'm sorry. My tools rattle when I'm nervous.
My sound detector's picking up noises.
That's not me.
That could be a ghost bike.
No.
It's coming from over there. We've got him this time. Stand back, guys. Steel even more awesome. We'll take care of this.
Show yourself, Ghost.
Hello, Ricky.
Officer Bunker, what are you doing here?
I'm on patrol.
Sorry if we scared you. We thought you were a ghost bike.
Ghost bike? Is that some kind of Wheeloween trick?
No, sir. He's out there stealing candy.
Stealing candy? But that calls for a police officer like me. And I'm a police officer like me. Now, stand back. Officer on patrol. Ghost patrol.
Yes. And
Mum said I should listen to you, and I didn't.
right. That's what I was going to say.
And I'm really, really sorry. And whoa, have you seen how high this is?
I probably should have let you have more fun. I just wanted to keep you... Whoa! This is really high.
Yeah, I think I want to do the zigzag again. That bump was high enough. Yay, bump!
I don't think there's another way down. What if we do it together? I think I know how to make it safe and fun. Scootio, I need Zoom Cam to bring us something. Got it.
I I am if you are.
Then get set, go!
Whoa!
Having fun now, Toot?
Way better in the zigzag.
Whoa! I don't believe it! Toot went on the ramp up! She's the bravest bike I ever saw! That was so exciting!
It was amazing. You guys have to try it. If you have a big brother to go down with you.
Yeah! I think I'm gonna do the ramp up too! I'm ahead now, but not for long! See, Dasher? I'm winning! Dasher! Gotta dash, little dude, cuz I almost forgot I have a race with Ashley Ace. Ashley Ace, the speedster! Whoa! So cool! Let's go! Sorry, Ricky, but in this kind of race, there's no third place. It's just Ashley and me. Oh, I can't come. We'll race later, though. Okay? See you later, guys! I guess I'll just go to Toot's dance club then. Except it seems like they don't need me there. I'll just race myself to Windshield Point. Ricky versus Ricky! And it's Ricky in the lead, followed by Ricky. Ricky's catching up. I bet everyone else wishes they were here. This is so cool! Whoa! Whoa, yeah! Whoa! I'm okay, but how do I get out of here? Uh-oh! Grappling hook, go! Can't make it! I better call for help.